Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here with some stuff. 2 months ago, I showed you the typewriters I got from Scott's aunt and uncle. Well, they had their rummage sale and I missed it. She forgot to call me. But Uncle Ace called Scott the other day and said, hey, come out and see if there's anything you want before we donated it. So we went out and me and Scott kind of scavenged through what was left, and then we helped him box everything up and get it. It's all boxed up, and now a friend of theirs is going to come out and load it up and take it to some Christian store, whichever. But I did not get the case, but I got what's in it. I had a case, and he had all these jars above his tool bench, and I was looking at them. And I thought, what can I use for when I do steampunk? And look at all the chain. I'm so stoked. So I grabbed that. And then he had all these. This is a grommet kit Scott told me. He wants some of these, but I grabbed these to use in my steampunk. And then little bolts and nuts. And I thought this was kind of cool looking. I don't know what it is, but I thought that'd look cool for steampunk. He had a nickel on it. Whatever it was. I'll have to ask Scott. I thought that looks kind of cool, like a big gear. And it was like this. And some things like that. And so I just kind of grabbed a few things that I thought were cool looking. Thought that was neat. And then these flat ones. I'm going to see if Scott can take this off for me. And then that knob. I thought it was cool. So that's some of the metal. That was kind of cool. Scott got a bunch of stuff, and I ain't showing you all his stuff. Man, would be here for days. Okay. So, then, I actually bought this. It was a Server-Mate square canister, marinades in minutes. And it has everything in here, brand new. They never used it. And I thought, I like marinating these. It's got chicken and rice, or chicken and steaks. And I thought, So, she had 5 on it. She gave it to me for $1. So I got that. I thought that was kind of cool. Oh, and I got a mixer with 2 bowls also that she had. I thought this was cool just to sit on a shelf. Remember these? Put the potatoes in there and you smash it. I thought it was cool. Vintage looking, so I grabbed that. Okay. And this netting Uncle Ace had. I want it for crafts, so I just grabbed that. And then he had this metal tape. So I grabbed that. It's real flimsy, but that'd be cool to use. Then he had these, and he said it's some sort of packaging tape, but I ain't gonna use that for packaging tape. He did say if you wet this, it sticks though. So I got that. He had 20 cents on that. And then this one. Thought it was cool. Got them. I think there's another one of these in the truck. And then there was this tablecloth, and I thought, look at the lace on there, so I can take that off. Isn't that pretty? It's just all the way around. Good. So I'll take that off. Somebody made this, so. And Carol goes, I didn't. She don't know where she got it from. So I took that, and I'll use material for something. And there's this little bit of twine, whatever you want to call it. Oh, thing of fishing line. And there was this little measuring cup, but I liked it because it had the little thing, just if I'm doing something in my craft room. I grabbed this pretty tin, just for storage. I thought it was pretty. Look at the pretty birds on there. I remember we had these as a kid. And then, I thought this was neat. And I'm hoping I can use it as a stencil. I'm hoping. I don't know what it is, but it's very flexible. So that. Oh. Got a few candlesticks I thought I'd decorate up for Christmas. They were out of batteries. Give each one of my grandkids one. They can walk through the house like the olden days. They're plastic. Oh, got me United States flag. Stick that right there. Represent the United States. I grabbed me this purse. My purse broke the other day. And I thought nothing else. Oh, it is a pin. It's just on there. That's pretty. I'm going to take that off, actually. But I thought it's a cool little purse. I don't like big purses. This was... So, that's cool. I thought, yep, that'll work. And then, oh, here's the other roll. Yeah. Okay. And then I thought this from a hobby. He doesn't even know about that. Scott loves lions. I thought that was pretty. Scott like that. And then I thought these were cute. They're actually Christmas ornaments, but I thought that'd be pretty. Just on like maybe a, who knows, you know? Yeah, never know. I'm always thinking out of the box, guys. I always think out of the box. What can I use? Oh. And there's this. And she don't know what Uncle Ace had. If they were meat packing paper, she wasn't sure. But it's pretty thick. So, 2 white rolls, and then there's this off-color one. And I thought, well, it's paper. What the hey, huh? Okay. And then, 2 rows of, it says banner rolls. Neon pink. And tripod. I thought nothing else. It's got the thing. And then I got 2 Christmas trays because I will alter them at Christmas season. And then I laughed because I thought I said, oh, this is cute. And I was like, how does it open? And it opens right here. And I thought it was Christmas. And then I said, Carol goes, ain't that pretty for Christmas? I said, Aunt Carol, that's a witch. She goes, oh my God. She decorated it up for Christmas. She goes, funny. So I got that. I thought that was cute. Alter that. And then the good box. Got a package of birdseed. I just wanted the container, or not birdseed, flower mix seed. I wanted the package. And I got some ribbon, vintage ribbon. Look how old that is. I think it's silk. I hope it's not that paper stuff. But you know what? It is. I can't get. Come on. Oh no, it's not. It's not paper. That's cool. So I got that. Oh, I grabbed that for my stirring or paint. Use it on my paint. Got this one. Got a little drink. That one. This one. It's like sunflowers. Oh, I can use that now. Well, there's another one I could use. Cool. That worked all nice. $2.39. Shopko clearance. Christmas. That one. This one with fall. And this one. Oh, tape measure. I figured nothing else. I can cut it up. 2 of them. This ribbon. This ribbon. That ribbon. Some blue like denim. And then red. Yeah, I needed red this morning. Then almost done, guys. Almost done. This is pretty cool. This is an apron, guys. It's plastic, sturdy apron. I'm thinking, man, maybe I won't ruin my clothes so much when I paint, you know. Got that. And years ago, Scott worked for a company that made these. And I loved them because I would put them down when I paint. And they soak up. They're very reliable. And Uncle Ace had a whole stack, and he told me he may have more, so I might get some more of that. And that is what I got from Uncle Ace and Aunt Carol's house. And Scott got a whole lot more than I did. So I just wanted to share my good findings. Like I always say, think out of the box, guys. Think out of the box. Be creative. Use those crafty skills. So I'm going to let you guys go here. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.